Namaste children. In this video we are going to learn how to round off the numbers. Okay, nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. Understood? Let us see how to do nearest tens. Okay, if you see the board here, I have drawn one diagram. This is called estimated hill. What is this called? Estimated hill. Okay, if you observe here I have written numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, see, suppose if you are throwing ball, okay, here you are having slanting. Okay, suppose you are throwing ball. Suppose you throw it up to 1. So what will happen? The ball will come back to the same position. Understood? So next, see, if you throw ball up to 4. So what will happen? Again the ball will come back to same place. Understood? Suppose you throw ball up to 5. So now what will happen? The ball will go to the other side of the mountain. The ball will go to the other side of the mountain. Understood? See, suppose whenever we are coming back to the same position, we have to write same numbers. Okay, remember this one. Whenever we are going to the other side of the mountain, that means we will get 1 point. Remember these two. Okay, what is the first one? Whenever you will come back to the same position, means you have to write same numbers. Whenever we are going to the other side of the mountain, then we will get 1 point. Now let us see how to estimate these numbers to nearest tens using this estimated hill. Okay. Let us see the first example, 2464. We have to round off this number to nearest 10. Okay, here we are doing nearest 10. So 10 has how many zeros? Yes, 10 has 1 0. So here also we have to keep 1 0. Where we have to keep? In 1's place. So here I am keeping 0 in 1's place. And nearest tens means we have to check 1's place. Which place we have to check? 1's place. So what is here in 1's place? Here we are having 4. So let us see the estimated hill. Where is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will happen? The ball will go to other side of the mountain or it will come back to the same place. Yes, it will come back to the same place. So we have to write same numbers. Remaining we have to write same numbers. See, here 10th place, here we are having 6. 100's place is 4. 1000's place is 2. So what is the answer? 2460. Let us see the second one. 1976. We have to round off to nearest 10. So 10 has how many zeros? Yes, 1 0. So make 1's place as 0. And nearest tens means which place we have to check? We have to check 1's place. What is here in 1's place? 6. Here we are having 6 in 1's place. So let us see the estimated hill. See, 6 means what will happen? We will go to the other side of the mountain. So whenever we are going to the other side of the mountain, that means we will get 1 point. Okay? And where we have to add that point? We have to add in tens place. Okay? Add 1 in tens place. Why? Here we are doing nearest tens. So whenever we will get 1 point, add 1 to tens place. See, 7 plus 1, 8. So we have to write 8 in tens place. And remaining digits we have to write as it is. Hundreds place 9, thousands place 1. So what is the estimated value? 1980. Let us see another example. 3398. So nearest tens. 10 has 1 0. So make ones place as 0. And we have to check ones place. What is here in ones place? 8. 8 means what will happen? We will go to the other side of the mountain. That means we will get 1 point. That 1 point we have to add in tens place. So here tens place we are having 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. After adding here we are getting double digit number. So when we will get double digit number, carry 1 to hundreds place, write 0 in tens place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Here we are having 3. So what is the answer? 3400. What is the answer? 3400. Understood, children? Now let us see how to write the estimated values by rounding off to nearest hundreds. Okay, this is also very simple. See, here we are doing nearest hundreds. So 100 has how many zeros? Yes, 100 has 2 zeros. So here also we want 2 zeros. So where we have to keep these 2 zeros? In ones place and tens place. See, ones place 0, tens place 0. Okay? And nearest hundreds means we have to check tens place. Which place we have to check? Tens place. So what is here in tens place? Here we are having 3. Here we are having 3 in tens place. Let us see the estimated here. Where is 3? 3 is here. So the ball will come back to the same position. Means we have to write same numbers. We have to write same numbers. So hundreds place 7, thousands place 2. So what is the estimated value? 2700. Let us see another example. 4369. So nearest hundreds. 100 has 2 zeros. So make ones place 0, tens place 0. And nearest hundreds means we have to check tens place. See what is here in tens place? 6. 6 means, see the estimated hit? The ball will go to the other side of the mountain. That means we will get 1 point. So where we have to add that point? We have to add in hundreds place. Here we are doing nearest hundreds. So add 1 to hundreds place. Add 1 to hundreds place. So 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, what is here in thousands place? 4. So write 4 in thousands place. So what is the answer? 4,400. What is the answer? 4,400. Let us see one more example. 8,872. 8,872. So we are doing nearest hundreds. 100 has 2 zeros. Make ones place 0, tens place 0. And nearest hundreds means we have to check tens place. Here we are having 7. 7 means C. We will go to the other side of the mountain. That means we will get 1 point. That 1 point we have to add in hundreds place. So if you add 1, what we will get? 8 plus 1 is 9. So write 9 in hundreds place. And here thousands place we are having 8. So write 8 as it is. So the estimated value is 8,900. Understood, children? Now let us see how to write the estimated values by rounding off to nearest thousands. Okay? Let us see the first example. 6,278. We have to write this to nearest thousands. So, 1000 has how many zeros? 3 zeros. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So, make ones place 0, tens place 0 and hundreds place 0. And nearest thousand means we have to check hundreds place. Which place we have to check? Hundreds place. So what is here in hundreds place? 2. So if you see the estimated hill, 2 is here. So the ball will come back to the same place. So we have to write same numbers. What is here in thousands place? 6. So the estimated value is 6,000. Let us see the next one. 7,790. Okay. Nearest thousand. 1000 has 3 zeros. So make ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. Nearest thousands means we have to check hundreds place. What is here in hundreds place? 7. 7 means we will go to the other side of the mountain. That means we will get 1 point. That 1 point we have to add in thousands place. Why? Here we are doing nearest thousands. So add 1 to thousands place. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So write 8 in thousands place. And the next one, see, 1,362. Okay. So nearest thousand. 1000 has 3 zeros. So ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. And which place we have to check? Yes, hundreds place. What is here in hundreds place? 3. 3 means we will come back to the same place. So we have to write same numbers. So what is here in thousands place? 1. So write 1 in thousands place. So what is the estimated value? 1,000. Understood, children, how to write the estimated values? By rounding off to nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. Now complete the assignment given in the video. Thank you.